Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UTM tags and track LinkedIn leads in Google Analytics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up UTM tags and track LinkedIn leads in Google Analytics, start by opening the Google Analytics homepage. Log in to your Google Analytics account. Identify the specific campaign or content you want to track from your LinkedIn efforts. Open the Google Analytics Campaign URL Builder tool in a new browser tab. In the website URL field, enter the URL of the landing page you want to track. In the campaign source field, enter LinkedIn. In the campaign medium field, enter social. In the campaign name field, optionally, fill in the campaign term and campaign content fields for further segmentation. Once all fields are completed, copy the generated URL with the UTM tags added. Next, navigate to your LinkedIn account. Create a new post or an advertisement where you want to share the UTM tagged link. Paste the generated URL into your LinkedIn post or ad. Add engaging copy to accompany your link. Publish your LinkedIn post or ad. Now, return to Google Analytics. To view your UTM tagged traffic, click on Acquisition in the left-hand menu. Select Campaigns and then choose All Campaigns. Locate your campaign by the name you entered in the UTM tags. Analyze the data, focusing on metrics like sessions, bounce rate, and conversions. This will give you a clear view of how your LinkedIn leads are performing. Remember to continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns based on the insights you gain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.